Oh, I got one. Oh, I got one.
What's up, guys? So we just got out of Walmart. We bought some inflatable rafts. Show them where we're at. We're at Walmart. $30 inflatable rafts. About to take it out on the lake. See if we can catch some fish. We just got to the lake. It's the process. It's the process to pump up the rafts. How you doing, Caleb?
I'm getting tired.
Hey, you're making a little progress though.
Yeah.
I still got mine right here. We got our boys. There's a little runoff pond and creek. And the big lake is up over that hill. All right, guys. So we got the boat. Got the boat pumped up. Now we're walking up to the lake. We gotta make our way up this really steep hill. I'll drop the boat down. Up there's a steep hill. Right over top of that is the lake. Ooh, there we go. Oh yeah, look at that. Let's go, Caleb.
I'm scared.
Here's the lake. Oh. You ready?
Yeah.
Use the paddles.
Oh shit.
Oh yeah.
There you go. How do I do this? Like, what's the motion?
Like that. You never used the paddle before?
I have, but it didn't feel weird.
Alright, I'm coming. First gator spotted. Yeah, Caleb, we're in gator infested territory on this big lake in inflatable boats. He's cruising. Caleb all the way back there, struggling a little bit. I'm thinking about fishing right that little cove over there. That's my first place I'm gonna hit. Oh. Oh. That was a loud splash. Ooh, I wasn't weedless. Forgot to. There we go. Oh, big boat over there by that tree. Damn. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. Get in the boat. Let's go. First fish of the day. First fish of the day. Look at that. First fish of the day. Perfect hook set right in the side of the mouth. Boom. Oh, let me get that. Boom. Let's go, guys. Gotta make sure my hook doesn't get in the boat. Look at that. First fish of the day. Probably about a little less than a pound, but that's a beautiful specimen right there. Let's get a nice release on him. Get my phone out for the release. Let's get a nice release on him. Oh, there he goes. Caught him right there. Let's go, baby. Alright, first fish of the day. Now we're on the board. It makes me feel so much better. That was a terrible cast too. I'm surprised that fish took it. That was the weirdest. I was literally about to reel it back in. I was not expecting that fish to bite at all. That was my first bass ever caught in this lake. And man, it just feels good. All my efforts weren't gone to waste. Pumping this dang boat up, buying it. Freaking 2 different trips to Walmart in 2 days. You know, like, it's probably my 5th, 6th time maybe coming out here without catching a dang thing. Okay. What if Caleb caught anything yet? Dang, with all this grass, I'm pulling up all these microscopic bugs, bro. They're all getting on me. Oh, I think this worm's done right here. I just rip a little bit off the top and just put it back on like a regular Texas rig. Right here. Boom. Come out. Spin it. Cover the eye of the hook if you can. Boom. Perfect. Line it up. Come out. Up. And tuck the hook when you need to when you're fishing cover. I'm fishing heavy grass, so definitely tucking the hook so I don't get caught up on any more weeds. Look at that beautiful sunset, guys. Look at that. It doesn't get much better than this. If you enjoy fishing, you appreciate things like this. It does not get really any better than this. I think we're at our last hole for the day. It's getting dark. Sun's going down. And I want to be able to make my way back. So I'm just going to throw the frog around here a little bit. Maybe cast the Texas rig along some cover. See what bites. And I'm going to head back. I'm getting eaten alive right now by these bugs. I'll try to get under that tree right there by that. Right there, straight ahead. Ooh, you see that? I hope y'all saw that, because it's my 2nd time using this. This rod literally came in Thursday, and I'm getting the hang of it already. Love to see it. I would love if I could catch a freaking 3 or 4 pounder on this setup. Take 2. Oh, that's messed up. Oh, I hit the dang paddle. Oh yeah, that's real messed up. I got all tangled up. Dang. You know what? That's a sign. That's a sign. Time to put away the frog for the day. Maybe another day, buddy. Maybe another day. Time to throw the Texas rig around. Go right where I tried to go. Oh, you see, I'm nice with the spinning reel. I already know that. Like a little 10-pound dumbbell. Use it as an anchor. I'm try to go all the way in that corner back there. Oh, I thought that was a freaking fish, dude. Dang it. Perfect cast. Wasted, bro. Because I thought grass was a fish again. Oh, I can do it again, no matter. Boom. It wasn't as good as the first one, but it's still perfect. Rip this joint off again. Keep it in the boat, don't litter. Fish could swallow that, and then it won't be able to digest it. Keep all your trash, no matter how big or small it is. Even if it's a little end piece of your worm, keep it. A fish could swallow that. Oh. Like, imagine if you swallowed that, what would happen? Well, I mean, it'd probably just come out, but fish have smaller organs. That could hurt a fish a lot more than it can hurt a human. Alright. I hear something moving in the woods over there. Hopefully it's not a cannibalist. Perfect cast. Right under that tree. Now, 3 more casts. Go by that little branch right there. What the? Oh, I went on the bank, guys. But hey, it fell back in the water, so that's good. This worm is on its last leg, literally. This thing barely has anything left. It might catch a small one, but it ain't catching a 3-pounder. I don't even know if it's visible to the fish anymore. It's so small. Wait, never mind. Guys, this is average. That's big. I don't know what I was talking about. Don't listen to me. Size doesn't matter. Last cast, ladies and gentlemen. Right over to the left of that little laydown. The right looks pretty juicy, I can't lie. I'm gonna try to weave it in between that fallen down tree and under that tree. I'm trying to weave it right in there. Oh my God. I am literally him. It doesn't get any better than that. On a spinning rod and reel too? Are you kidding me? Try to rip this worm through the grass. Slowly turning the boat. Look at that sunset right there. Beautiful pink skies. It doesn't get much better than this. I encourage all of you to go to Walmart, spend $30 on a raft, or spend $35 on a $27 raft and a $7 life jacket, and go explore your local pond or reservoir or lake. You know, these are the things that you'll remember in life. And for me, fishing is one of my favorite things to do. So every dime spent on fishing stuff is a dime well spent. So with that being said, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day or night or week or even month. But try to go out there, go fishing. The perfect time of year. April, May, even June. I don't know where I'm from up north, spawning. So I'm gonna have a blast trying my best to catch some fish. Hopefully you guys can do the same. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I'm gonna be out here with my boy Caleb doing the same thing tomorrow, and hopefully try to catch some more fish. How long you had him on the hook for? Like 10 minutes?
Bro, we need you to hold him.
You don't know how to take a fish off the hook?
I never do it, I ain't gonna lie.
I don't want to pop my raft.
Nah, he should be able to come like right. Right, he not right.
Is it a bass?
Yeah.
You got a bass? A pound of that? You want to weigh him?
You gotta.
Yeah, let me get him. Oh, man. Good stuff, Di. Right in the corner of the mouth, too. That's perfect. You got to give me some slack.
Brown. It's brown.
There we go. Dang, Di. You ever caught a bass before?
Yeah.
You want to weigh him?
Yeah, how you weigh him?
I got a scale.
I hope you want to hold him, but you got to teach me how to hold him.
It's easy, bro. I'll weigh him for you right now, Di. A pound, 2 ounces. You got it. You got it. Just pinch him. Bro.
Grab him. I'm scared. What you scared of? I ain't never touched no fish. Bro, I can't do that.
Come on, come on.
Go ahead, you got him.
Come on.
Bro. Just grab him. Bro. Touch him first, then grab him.
Just grab him.
Don't let him go.
Pinch it, just pinch him. Just pinch him.
Oh!
Yo.
Hell no. That is scary, bro.